Greetings. Today there are three questions of analytic geometry here. We have 3 points A, B, C. We have to find the equation of line AB, and then we have to find the equation of a perpendicular of AB passing through point C, and then after that we have to find the area of triangle ABC, just analytically, not graphically. So we are going to go ahead and start working on the segments and lines. So if we have A with coordinate -2 and -1, and B with coordinates 2, 7. So if we have to find the line passing through these 2 points, we have to use the regular equation y minus y0 is equal to m times x minus x0, where x0 and y0 is the coordinates of any point on the line, and m is the slope. So we are going to find the slope m. M is rise over run, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In this situation here we have b and a, so we have yb minus ya over xb minus xa. Okay, so you can find the slope here is equal to 7 minus 1 over 2 minus 2. Very good. So that leaves us with 7 plus 1, 8 over 2 plus 2, 4. That makes it 2. That means the slope is 2. All we have to do now is to go ahead in that main equation and plug in the values of m, and any point on the line may be b or a. B has no sign, so we can take b. So y minus yb is equal to 1 minus 7 is equal to m, that is 2, times x minus xb is 2. So we are going to solve for this one. We get 1 minus y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4, and y is equal to 2x minus 4 plus 7. Add 7 on both sides, and we get y is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the equation of the line AB. So that is the answer of our first question. So line AB has equation of y is equal to x plus 3. Now we have to go to the next question. We have to find the perpendicular of AB passing through point C. Okay, so we found that y was equal to 2x plus 3. This is the line AB. So the perpendicular has a relationship in slope. So if we have m as the slope of our first line, we can say that the other slope is m1 is equal to minus 1 over m. It's minus 1 over 2 here because the slope of the first line is 2. So this will be the slope of the perpendicular. So we have the slope and we have the point through which that line is going to pass. It is C. It says 4 minus 4. So we can plug in our main equation y minus y0 is equal to m times x minus x0. So we get y minus yc this time. Yc is minus 4. Okay, is equal to m is minus 1/2 times x minus 4. Okay, and then we get y plus 4 is equal to minus 1/2 of x minus plus 4/2. Okay, so we get 1 plus 4 is equal to minus 1/2 of x plus 2. Otherwise, if we subtract 4 from both sides, we get y is equal to minus 1/2 of x minus 2. So this is the equation of line passing through C and perpendicular to AB. Okay. Thank you. So we go to the next one, and if we have the segments AB, BC, and AC, we want to find the distance. We can use the distance formula shown below. AB squared is equal to 2 plus 2 squared plus 7 plus 1 squared. We get 16, or 4 squared, plus 8 squared. AB squared is being now 80 then. Okay, 80. Thank you. And we go for the other ones. That was AB squared. Now let's go to BC squared. For BC squared, we do the same thing. Distance formula. We get 4 minus 2 squared plus minus 4 minus 7 squared is equal to 2 squared plus 11 squared, right? That makes it 125 actually. 4 plus 2, 121, 125. So that is BC squared. Now we have AB squared, we have BC squared. Let's say if we can find AC squared. So we get AC squared. We do the same thing, same distance formula. Is minus 4 minus 1. Okay, plus, no, minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 actually squared plus minus 4 minus 1 squared. That makes it 4 plus 2 is 6 squared plus 3 squared minus 3 squared is 3 squared. That makes it 9. So AC squared becomes 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. There you go. So we have 45, but what do we notice here? We are noticing that BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared. That means this is a right triangle, and looks like BC is the hypotenuse here. So we have BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared. So that is a very interesting result that helps us in calculating the area asked in the third question. So to find the area here, we just have to make half of the product of the two legs. That means half of BH is equal to 1/2 of square root of AB squared times square root of AC squared. Alright, that means we have 1/2 of square root of 80 times square root of 45. So 80 times 45 is 3,600. So the area is equal to square root of 3,600 over 2. That's 60 over 2. That makes it 30. So finally the area of this triangle is 30 square units. That was the question, the answer to the question. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.